Hello there, everybody. Welcome. I forgot to put on my soundboard. How's everybody doing? What a day. What a day so far. This is really something. NQ swept these levels finally, and then it might be turning around. Green, hello. Ebo Munich, good to see you, and Martin Muchka, sorry. Hello, good afternoon, good to see you, Martin. Zackermonster, hey. You were long, alright. Well, so far, it does seem like an okay area to go along. I mean, it might just pop higher. Gotta be careful, though. CFD contracts actually swept all-time highs, so we don't know what's gonna happen at the open, but it's definitely an interesting start. Philcos, hello. Ice melting in the sun. All right, I know. Well, I'm back. You know, we're back, everybody. Good morning from Ireland. Hey, Amelia. Thanks for joining. And Bill Hohenst, welcome. Alicia is here. Good morning. $500 profit. Let's go on gold. Congratulations, Martin. That's good. Awesome to hear. Everybody's printing money. That's good. Still at Bali, Martin. The other Martin. Hello. You're at the rice fields right now. That's cool. That is awesome, man. Okay, so what are the expectations? What are we looking for? Are we looking for longs, short positions? You know, I'm kind of looking on a gold long position, but now, to be honest, with NQ, it's almost kind of unpredictable. What was the numbers like today? Oh yeah, we're gonna have PMI numbers soon. Okay. How was unemployment claims? Less than expected, so that's good. That's kind of positive. All right. Less than expected. Luke Dent is back. Hello. Luke entered the building, everybody. Yeah, red news, NQ longs, gold shorts. All right. Green is looking for longs. Okay. Okay. Gold is so far still down. We tagged this other zone down here. I think this was on the hourly chart as well. On gold. Quite interesting, though. Would be awesome to catch a long position. But anyway, less than 1 minute to go. Money printer out of ink. Let's see. What are you feeling about the Nasdaq today? I think we might sweep the weekly high, previous the high, and then dump afterwards. It can happen, Martin. Definitely. Good morning, Kirk. Kirk, good to see you. 1 minute to open. Yeah, it's 21 seconds until the open. Yeah. Yeah, gold can definitely do that. Wenceslas, hello. No, not yet. I mean, on CFD contracts, yes, but let's see what's gonna happen now at the open. Buckle your seatbelts, everyone. Here we go. Market is open. Starting with the dumpage here. Wow. That's interesting. All right. Okay, never mind, never mind. Seems like NQ might still want to go higher. Look at this, man. Wow. That's kind of interesting. I don't know if it will go. Could be just a trap. I don't know. You never know. You never know. Spiking higher. Spiking higher. How is gold doing? Gold is still down there. Did not move too much. It might still want to go further here. Okay, NQ made the sweep. I have no positions on still. Just kind of waiting. Wow. What is going on here? We might see a dumpage here. Who knows? Who knows? Anyway, it was pretty close to sweep those highs. It's still not happening right now. Tesla dumping. What's happening with Tesla? Oh. Nvidia also, but Tesla is taking a real dumpage now. Could be bringing down NQ to some lows. I feel like this one has a chance to take out some lows here. Okay. I'm watching the other markets as well. No position. Currencies. Okay, dollar is going higher a little bit there. Let's see what's going on. I feel like NQ is just not ready to go up yet. But how far can it go down? If it wants to go down, I don't know. I don't feel safe on NQ going higher. Not sure. That's kind of how I feel. Technically swept some highs, but I guess anything can happen, right? So far just hovering here. No sign of dropping. Or it will dump, but we don't know. Five-minute looks like a big doji candle, indecision, just like almost the 15-minute candle. Basically the same. Indecision. Everybody's gonna wait for the news, I guess. For a minute there, I thought that it wants to sweep those lows down there, but it might not be the case. Yeah. No, not Bacardi Cola, just a single coffee. just a single coffee there, nothing more. All right, still kind of watching. We have the new 5-minute candle. Let's see if it wants to break out in some direction. On the mini, it looks like a well, at least the level that meant to be broken more. Not sure about the rest. Still nothing. Let's wait. We have the what's this level down there? 26. But that is it. We should see something. I mean, there's news in about 7 or 8 minutes, I think. Good answer. Yeah. I learned this at school. Oh, man. Well, anyway, it's just not moving the way it should. All right. Show us the way, NQ. What's it gonna be? Show us how it's done. You know, even if it breaks this low at 27, I think it would be great to see this go down into that 293 area. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the old saying that trade what you see and not what you think. 8%. Oh yeah, 8.6 already. Trade what you see and not what you think. So what does that mean? Does that mean that we should be reactive to these trades, to these positions? Should we be reacting or predicting? There's always a debate over this. I don't know what's going on. NQ is definitely in an indecisive state right now. Honestly, I'd really like to go short. I mean, I kind of like the idea. Target the low on this one. But it's just really hard to decide. And by the way, I want to check out the calendar on MyFundedFutures. I'm just curious if this is in the red folder news today. Let me see. Tier 1 news. Today is 24. Okay, nothing is in the calendar right now. So that's kind of a good news. It's not dumping. Yeah, we have. Oh, that's at 45. Okay, so we have two news actually. Okay. What are we expecting? Manufacturing PMI number, mixed numbers here. Home sales, positive numbers. We'll see. Could be popping higher to make that new all-time high. You never know. You never know. All right, they officially stopped. We did. We did officially stop here. Navop, hey there. Yeah, Kirk, I am. Yours too. Brother from another. Oh, that's a different thing. Anyway, less than 3 minutes until the news. Let's wait for it. This should be fun, right? Somewhat. Maybe fun, maybe not. All right. Less than, actually almost 1 minute until news. Less than 1 minute. I guess we can expect some movement, maybe a few minutes before, a few seconds before. You're hungry. Oh my god. You guys are wild. You guys are. Oh man. 30 seconds. Get prepared. Here comes the news release. All right, 10 seconds. I don't think it should be moving the market that much, but let's see. What's the numbers? Anyone knows? Nobody knows. All right, so another 15 minutes. All right, that was a nice spike up there. What's it gonna be? Did I take it and go away? Yeah, I mean, it is definitely a tricky day, especially on, let me check on gold. Oh my god, gold. Gotta check a chart here. Hold on, where is it? I wonder if it wants to break the high at the open. You know, it's kind of curious. What's that? 99 up to 400 maybe. Who knows? Might want to pop that. But is it gonna go for the new all-time high? Because yesterday it didn't go. It couldn't go for it. It's like very close. I guess it's gonna depend on the numbers. Like up to, what was that? 25. What's it on the mini? Oh, come on. 422 actually. 22.75 on the mini. On the micro it's 25. Okay, so that means 22. So it has to break previous day high then. Wow. That would be interesting to see. Yeah, kind of boring. Everybody's waiting for the news. Macro time is coming. So ES made new high. Okay, so now everybody's time to shout SMT, right? SMT. Yeah. Gold has just skyrocketed. Right. All right, NQ dropping back down. Might not be able to make it up there. Repricing the 1 minute gap here. I mean, this could be it. Might not gonna go. ES break real time high again. Yeah, exactly. That's why it could be an SMT again. I don't know if NQ has the strength, even after the news, to break that level. I think everybody's just waiting for the same thing. I do feel like I missed my entry on gold. Dang it. That was a nice one, actually. Yeah. also on there. I'm just looking at the currencies as well. What's the euro is doing? Euro is also popped higher. What a move. Huh. Oh yeah, it did. Anyway, let's just keep on waiting. Almost 8 more minutes. That's like an eternity in trading. Price coming back down. Not sure how far. Just waiting for the news. What's the 5-minute looks like? It's just absolutely awful. I wouldn't be surprised if this one would like to take out the lows. Okay. What if this one wants to go down to those 95s? Is that down at, yeah, it's down at 95. And this was PM session yesterday. Still valid. Anyway, less than 4 minutes. I should have. Oh, thank you. I know. I'm an artist, actually. Yes, we can. We can. Absolutely. Yeah, no gap here. No fair value gap. Gold? Well, not sure. There could be, it could be some manipulation. I mean, accumulation, distribution. I would say this was the distribution. It could be going higher on gold. It's kind of difficult to say. I would think so. So yeah, not sure. Not sure. Still have time until the news. I know, Philcos, right? We all know how it is. Well, since this is just a barcode, not much to do with this. Less than 2 minutes to go until the news. Let's see. Less than 1 minute. I'll have to go to the Rolex store. Well, you know, okay. That's a good one. Not the Chinese one. Of course not. Never to the Chinese Rolex store. Never ever. Yeah, this price action is very bad. Anyway, let's see what's gonna happen here. We have 10 seconds to go. All right, here we go. News. What's happening? Not much so far. Not much is happening so far. What's the number? 27. Well, it's somewhat mixed numbers around the place. First payout coming soon. Let's go. My favorite song. I have two. I can't just pick one. I have so many favorite songs. You know, I have lots of. I like all kind of music. I like hip hop, techno, trance, rock and roll, heavy metal. You name it. 90s, 80s, 60s. I like every kind of music. Everything. I need to pick. Oh man. If I need to pick. Oh, I just can't. It's just so hard. There's so many good music out there. So many good songs. It's like also almost like there, you know, every song has some seasonable tendencies as well, just like the markets. Yeah, sure, go first. Yeah, go first. Sleep token hypnosis. 15-minute drop. Let's see what happens. Elton's Rocket Man. I don't know where you get this, but I mean, that's a cool song. Rocket Man. I would say Modern Talking. No. I mean, I like Modern Talking, you know. Brother Louis Louis. I gotta go with For Whom the... Oh, yeah. Damn, that's an excellent... That's a masterpiece, actually. Oh my god, that's such an excellent song. That is an excellent song. You know, I was listening to Limp Bizkit and Korn back in my high school days. Limp Bizkit, Korn, and what else? Papa Roach. Rammstein, of course. So I was listening to these musics as well. I mean, these songs as well. Sleep token. Disturbed? I'm not disturbed. On the bando. Yeah, that was an era, you know. Korn, Limp Bizkit, Papa Roach, Rammstein. Metallica concert. That is awesome. Dude. That is... Wow. You must thank your dad. That's very rare to get to a Metallica, especially here for me in Europe. So I like every kind of music. I even like Backstreet Boys, NSYNC, Take That, just like Metallica, Nirvana, of course. So every kind of music. I'm not ashamed to admit that I just think Backstreet Boys, I mean, those songs are just amazing. Absolutely. E17, of course. E17, oh my god. Westlife, Jesus. Brings back the old memories. Westlife, oh yeah. That was a British group, right? Dad's area. Lost My Religion. Oh, REM. Yeah. Africa. Oh, yeah. It is. It's good. Those are the songs. Those are the good ones. I'm not sure about this price action. Euro going up there. Nothing's on the pound. NQ stuck. I guess it's just another summer day. Banger time on charts. Yeah. Raging hormones. No, this is just nostalgia, you know. All right. Okay, nothing's happening. It seems like it might want to go up there and maybe even try to go and make a new all-time high. It's pretty much a crappy price action here. Where is the so-called first fair value gap? Which one is it? Okay, here it is. Everyone's favorite first fair value gap. Here. Here it is. Okay, so went up there, swept the highs, some lows. Now we're stuck in this range. Seems a little bit bad. Like we might be just stuck like this until lunch hour. Took a short position. Don't really like it. Targeting 295.50. There it is. Maybe I should just close this trade. The thing is that there is a there's an order block down there. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna revisit that level? That's the main question. Seek and destroy profile could be. Could be. Yeah. Alright, I closed it. I just closed it because I didn't feel comfortable with that position. Otherwise, I have nothing here. But I'll be looking at this zone for later. That's nice 5-minute slash 15-minute zone. So I'm just gonna put an alert. Should have used alerts earlier, especially here. Man, I missed this trade. Oh, can't even look at this. Still going down. Oh, wow. Should have held the trade, but anyway, it was good. The idea was good, the logic was good. Yeah. Reversal could be happening just as soon as we approach this area here. I can imagine a reversal from here. Heck yeah, I might even be taking a reversal. Who knows? 5 minutes slash 15-minute demand zone. Okay. Let's see. I might be good at trading. You never know. You never know. Okay, watching the other markets as well. Okay, gold is there. What's up with YM? Oh man, I can't believe this. Is YM going down? I think it is. What is going on? Okay, that's options. Can't see it. Anyway. $15 candle to go. McLaren's. I saw McLaren's speed tail yesterday. Wow. 15-minute candle. Let's see, Miracle. Hold on. I gotta check on something here real quick. Also on the currencies, I think I saw something. We're going down here. Just wants to go down. Okay, we're seeing a bounce, which is cool. I like this bounce. But is this going to be enough? Picking up liquidity on the 3-minute and the 1-minute, most likely. All right. Ah, okay. What's this gonna be, NQ? Show us the way. I was kind of thinking that maybe I can take a trade from a fair value gap here, but there's nothing. Only the 3-minute chart. I was kind of hoping that this one can go down to that 5/15-minute zone, and here's the 3-minute gap to do so, but I'm just not sure if that's going to be the one. I guess we'll see, right? Currencies are going higher. There's a pullback on pound. Now let's just wait for now. Still have time. How old do you need to be? Well, most institutions, especially on a regulated brokerage, in Europe, you need to be 18 years old at least. You know, prop firms are not regulated yet, but I would say, especially in the US-based prop firms, might want you to be at least 21 years old. No pullback. Just straight going higher. This is actually good. pullback on the dollar pairs on Forex. So let's see how this behaves here. Gold is still pushing, and there's no target up there. That makes it a little bit interesting. Mid-40s, uncle level. Well, I wish I would be around 30. I wish. Oh my god, it would be so cool. Oh man, that would be great. But those times have passed, so that's just not it. Kind of tempted to take a short, maybe if it goes back into the gap. Not my ideal level, that's true. Risk to reward ratio is still somewhat okay. So I guess I can take a small position. We'll see. Targeting 96 maybe. So I entered the short. Targeting 96.50. Almost just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. Not such a good one. Where is it? Here it is. So not a great trade. I'm just kind of looking if it wants to go for the zone. That is it. If it's not, we move on. $25, yeah. Oh, I wish. I wish. I'm 41, everybody. I am 41. Slow grind, yeah. It's a slow grind. Don't worry, guys. You'll be 41 soon, so don't worry. Enjoy life while you can. So many things that needs to be done while you're still in your 30s, especially in your 20s. All right, this one is not gonna go down. Still here. I'm not going to be 41 soon. You turned 40 this year. Yeah. I know. I still, yeah, exactly like it was just yesterday when we were 20. 41 as well. Oh yeah, Zacromancer. So obviously we know those songs from the past. That's life. Martin is 26, but has an old soul. Maybe you've been reborn here on Earth, like reincarnated, like 100 times now already. So that's why you feel old. All right. Dollar and euro is pulling back. Pound is pulling back down. Dollar is getting stronger. Golden period. Exactly. Music parties. Exactly. Feeling 39. And I'm weird. No, you're not weird. That's cool, actually. Let's see what has happened here. Still at this gap. 15-minute looks kind of weird. Still in the same trade. Finally got the first payout in the bank account. Let's go, Opinion Mendez. What you supposed to feel? Well, first of all, well, obviously, it's good to celebrate on the first payout, but when you're getting those payouts, you should be feeling nothing, right? But because it's your first payout, obviously you should be happy and enjoying it. Like, you don't have to spend it all, but buy something, okay? Buy something for yourself or for your friend or family, spouse, whoever, or just go out, have a dinner, or I don't know, something. Spend that money a little bit, just a little bit, okay? And that's good, actually. Oh, Miracle is reading the Bible. That's good. Trades today? No. I took one short, which is not looking too good here. And I had another one that I closed, but I'm just thinking it might gonna go down to the 5/15-minute zone down there because it's a really good textbook level. But I'm still kind of hesitating what it should do. That's the only thing I have. It's tough for me right now, especially last week. This week it's slow. It's not really moving the way I wanted it to move. And though I have the game plan, it's just not really moving into direction. Definitely not doing what it's supposed to do. I think it's just gonna break higher here and reprice some more levels on the upside, but what can we do? Still have time from the silver bullet hour, so I guess it's just a waiting game now. $15-minute now might drop. We'll see. You're done of the day. Ah, nice. Well, tape reading is also good. Very bad price action. I mean, I've seen worse, but it's definitely not the best. Got long into the tunnel push down. Yeah, it's kind of crazy here. It's not doing what it's supposed to. I don't even know what to think of this. Very, very boring. Oh, the stream ended. I'm sorry, Luke. Yeah, I just ended the stream, I think, because I don't know which stream was that. Was that London or New York? If it was New York, because I went to my funded TV just like today. So I'm gonna be there in about 56 minutes. And I have some good topics for today too. Psychology, some technical analysis as well, as usual in my segment. NQ is unplugged. It's official, man. It's official. NQ is unplugged completely. Oh, NQ. I don't know what to do. It's just so slow. It's so slow. It's very bad. All right, Luke. That's awesome. You're gone tomorrow. Yeah, who knows? So far, it's repricing the gap, or I don't know, accumulating position. Question which direction it wants to take. I'm not sure that my position is okay, but who knows? SQ, why do you prefer NQ and not ES? I just like the speed and the momentum with NQ, and basically that's it. Moves more like gold, in my opinion. Yeah. Sometimes yes, sometimes not. Especially in the London session. In the London session, I need something that moves better than ES, and that's usually NQ. Even gold moves better in that session. Oh my god, my position is toast. So even gold moves a little bit better, I think. So, yeah. All right, what's it gonna be? Is it gonna go down? I think it will. No, it won't. It's just going higher. Might want to try with all-time high here, right? Almost out from that position. Crazy, crazy move here. What if this one wants to make the new all-time high now? How about ES? Yeah, ES wants to make a new high. Not sure. I only have two. Sometimes I have a third one, but it's not plugged in yet. So end of the world. Oh well, I just don't want to see the end of the world yet. But otherwise, yeah, it's a read for everyone. Oh, this is so boring, man. This is so boring. Yeah, position is almost at stop loss. Abyss, hello. You were holding the shorts. My parents still think that I'm gambling. Well, in a way, it is, but it's coordinated. You know, it has the rules. Thank you, Luke. Rejected a viva. Wow, would you look at that? It might be going down here. Who knows? It was actually almost down there. 93. All right. This is just absolutely horrendously bad price action. Parminder, you lost 1100 today. Well, don't worry. I just closed this position. I'm also down. This is a red day for me. So, not much we can do, I guess. It is just what it is. It is what it is. What is going on? Bears should try again. Well, maybe they will. Maybe they will. I can absolutely imagine that they could. I don't know. It's just not what we expected, I think. Alright, I'm gonna call it here. I just don't feel this. I'm just gonna refresh myself and get ready for the My Funded TV segment. I'm just not taking any trades here. I got stopped out from this in the red a little bit, but it is what it is. Red day for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow for London and today at My Funded TV. There's nothing to do here. This market is just a hot steaming pile of bullshit. I'm sorry. But it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please use the code for the best available discounts and deals. Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Apex, Bulenox still down at 91%. Funded Futures Network today and tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for the buy one, get one for free. So go for it. All right. God bless everybody. I'll be at MyFunded TV. See you there and tomorrow in London and New York. Cheers and God bless.